Hello guys, good morning. Suot ba ako ng earrings or wag na? Ayoko ng earrings na to, pang party kasi to. Tingnan nyo naman. Mas okay ba siyang nakatali? Or mas okay siyang nakalugay? So ko lagi sa buhok ko yung nakatali talaga. Pulido. Ayoko talaga siyang naaano sa mukha ko ba? Na tatamaan yung mukha ko. Ayoko siya. Kasi feeling ko, magkakaroon ako ng pimples. Maganda na lang ako. Tada! Oh wow, magsuot ako nito. Ayan, parang kunwari, baby. Oh. Let's see how it is. Chitty. Let's go. Bibili daw si Alex ng dirt para dun sa yard namin. How many you getting? Gusto kong kumuha ng hanging plants. Sana. Ang mahal-mahal. Gusto ko sana ganito. Ang mahal niya ay may ganyan ako nung nakaraan. Kaso dalawa pa naman yung binili ko nung nakaraan. Ang problema, namatay siya. So, I don't wanna get new one again like that. That's a lot of dirt. How many is that? 6? 8? I got nothing. I didn't buy anything. I was thinking if I'm gonna buy it or not, but it seems like too expensive and it's not worth it. I don't want to spend the money for that. Maybe I can find it somewhere cheaper. Meron akong brown turkey. Gusto ko sana siyang gawing lumpia or spring roll. Kaso tinatamad ako. So, gagawin ko na lang siyang para sa taco. Are we gonna do something after lunch? Or maybe just bike again to the park? I don't know if you want to eat without black beans because I'm gonna eat without black beans. I'm gonna just wrap it with a shell.
Just eat the black beans. Do you have rice there?
No, you can have rice if you want, but I'm not gonna eat rice with black beans. I just want a
What
shell.
are we gonna do with the black beans that's in the fridge?
You can eat it tomorrow.
Have a rot?
No, it's not. Makain ta. I don't have refried beans. Oh, do we have guacamole? We don't have avocado either. I feel hot now. Oh, I didn't open the salsa yet. Towel. I don't like this salsa. Why you do that? You know what I did wrong? I should put the sour cream, wipe it on the chips. That's what you did? Oh my gosh, I did it wrong. You gotta eat it plain first.
So, you know,
Pumunta kami dito sa dog park para makipag-play si Casey sa mga dogs. Yun yung super busy niya. Casey, here!
Mom.
The dog, ang cute. Ito yung sa small dogs area. Tapos yung dun sa kabila, para siya sa big dogs lang. Play with the other dogs. What are you doing? He's done. You ready to go? Play with the doggy. Look at him. I'm not ready yet. Give me. Where is he? Ready? There. Nag-fetch siya. Good job. Give me. There. Done. I didn't close it because I know you were gonna do it.
Well, I gotta follow you around, close everything.
Yes, you do. Nandito yung mga bike namin. Maliit lang yung dinala ko na bike kasi yung bike kong malaki is wala siyang battery. So, small bike lang yung gamit ko. Kasi kay Alex, small bike lang din. Ganda ng view. Nadaanan lang namin. Nagbabike kasi kami ngayon. Tada! Keep going! Oh my goodness. It's very shaky. Ang ganda ng bridge. Dire-diretso lang siya. Sundan lang natin si Alex. I'm gonna try this Nagaraya. Binili ko siya sa Wii. First time kong i-try. What? Not gonna hurt myself. Huge. It's coated with something. Mango here is not good. I like the mango in Puerto Rico better. Luluto ako nito, adobo na sitaw. Malapit na siyang maluto. And then, ito naman, lugaw. Lugaw ba to? Marami siyang mushroom and carrots. Mamaya, magiging okay yan siya. Hindi pa kasi nagbo-boiled, so it looks weird right now. Kunti lang yung ginawa ko kasi ako lang naman kakain nito. Si Alex, hindi yan ito kumakain. Ang ating adobo na sitaw. Every day, kumakain kami ng dinner is 6 o'clock ng gabi. And then sa lunch naman, 12 o'clock. Palagi yun. So kanina, ang dami naming napuntahan na lugar na ang gaganda. Gusto ko sanang mag-vlog kaso si Alex nagmamadali. Like gusto niya mag-bike ng mag-bike hanggang sa makapunta kami ng malayo. So kaya ayun, konti lang yung mga na video ko. Ganito yung life dito sa Amerika pag wala akong trabaho. Wala kasi akong trabaho. So, ang mga ginagawa namin, puro gala, kain, ganon. Yung lugaw natin, nagkulay brown siya. Parang nagkulay brown siya dahil yan sa mushroom. Marami yung nailagay kong mushroom. So, medyo nagkulay dark. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Masarap siya actually. Ito, paborito ko yung cracklin. Ang sarap niya kasi. Parang yung vlog ko today is not great. Feeling ko lang. Parang hindi siya great. Parang wala naman kaming ginawa today. So parang normal day lang yung nangyari today. Yun lang ang ating vlog for today guys. Tatapusin ko na. Yun lang naman. Alam niyo, nag-spend kami ng so much time mag-biking today. Like I think nag-bike kami ng 3 hours. And then bumalik dito sa bahay. Tapos nag-cook ng dinner. Oh my gosh. Ang bilis ng oras. Super. Gusto ko sanang dumaan ng store kasi may kailangan akong bilihin. Hindi na ako naka-stop kasi nga late na. So anyway, tapusin ko na yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you again next time.